Cascade Mountain Tech Low Profile Camp Chair is a comfortable, compact, and convenient seat that's ideal for a variety of uses. This chair sits roughly 4 inches off the ground, making it compliant with outdoor concert and festival regulations. Its wide feet and low profile are great for sandy beaches, and its compact design makes it easy to pack along on camping trips. The Low Profile Camp Chair is made with a strong steel and aluminum frame that supports up to 250 pounds. The seat is constructed with breathable mesh fabric, durable nylon, and cushioned armrests, making it a sturdy yet comfortable place to kick back and relax. When it's time to pack things up, the chair folds up quickly and stows into a handy storage bag with a shoulder strap for easy carrying.
Take your beach trips to the next level this summer with the HyderHike Low Beach Chair. This waterproof beach chair is so lightweight and easy to carry in the included carry bag. It sets up in seconds, so you spend less time getting set up at the beach and more time enjoying the surf and sand. There are pockets for your phone and keys conveniently located beneath the seat. And because no one likes a wet beach chair, the HyderHike Beach Chair is made from breathable mesh and water-repellent fabric. It dries extremely fast. This stable, comfortable chair is a dream at the beach, and it's fabulous for camping, sports games, hanging out by the pool, or anywhere else you want to relax this summer.